Guys, it's just snowing. This is 5:30 in the morning. "5:30 in the morning, this is what it looks like. We've got snow. I'm actually walking down the block to show you guys. I'm coming down. See the cars coming. And I can actually hear the plows because they're going to start going through the snow. Car covered with snow. Since 5:30 shoveling this. Look how much I've done. Did the front already. Okay guys, here's some more. This is actually where the cemetery is, the street on the corner. All right. Coming down. School bus.